Instant Pot Duo 7 in 1 electric pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer sterilizer, includes app with over 800 recipes, stainless steel, 6 quart. Product information, brand, Instant Pot, capacity, 5.68 liters, material, stainless steel, color, stainless steel/black, finish type, stainless steel, product dimensions, 12.2 inch D x 13.38 W x 12.48 H, special feature, programmable, wattage, 1000 watts, item weight, 11.8 pounds, control method, touch. About this item, 7-in-1 functionality, pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer, quick one-touch cooking, 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more, cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup, fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features, includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid, great for growing families, cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Versatile inner cooking pot, we use food grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes, includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Amazon affiliate links, if you buy anything through these it will support the channel and allow us to buy better gear. Please visit the provided link for more information, subscribe and turn on notifications for more hot deals. Shop now, thank you so much.